Hi guys, my name is Semke and welcome back to another video. It's Monday today, so we're gonna look at something much different than gaming. In another video where I made my car look more cooler with other rims, other lights and completely cleaned it, someone left a comment asking me about my wheels. Now these are Sparco drift wheels. I think they're 17 inches. I'm not quite sure about that, but they are sitting here for a long time and they look pretty dirty. Now these rims I cannot use on my car. Well, I can drive with them, but I can't use them because they're illegal, because they stick out like 1.5 centimeters out of my car. The back ones are okay, but the front ones stick out a little bit. So when I go to tech inspection, they won't approve my car. So I have to take them off again and put them back on when I come back from tech inspection. To clean my rims, I got some products. I got here the protection wheel cleaner. I don't know if you have to apply this when the wheels are wet or if they are completely dry. I'm gonna try when they're completely dry. Maybe the product will work much better then, because I used it before on my motorcycle wheels and it doesn't work that good as I was hoping for. Next up we have car shampoo. Maybe we're not gonna have to use it because the wheel cleaner will do such an excellent job, but we got it anyway. Next up we have Tyre Shine. Now this is the gel version of it. I don't want to use the spray because I don't want to contaminate my rims and I just want to clean, well actually not clean, it's more like feeding the tire so the tire won't break and well, you know, little cracks and stuff. So we're gonna use this on the tires, so the tires will look good, the rims will look good, but I'm not gonna put the rims on my car because I don't want to get into the hassle of taking them back on, taking them back off, and I'm getting too old for this and I just don't want to do it. So I'm gonna put them in storage, but then you might think, why do you clean your wheels and then put them in storage? They're gonna get dirty all over again. Well, I got this shrink wrap. It's 300 meters long and I'm gonna wrap my wheels in it so they won't get dirty again or dusty or any bird poop will get on them. So they will stay nice and fresh until I use them again, or maybe when I sell them. I don't really use them anymore and it's such a waste to let them rot and get dirty all over here. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna start off with laying the rims out and spraying them with wheel cleaner and see how that goes. So we applied the wheel cleaner and I have to tell you guys, this product sucks big time. The bottle started leaking right away when I started using it, and the application is so bad that it's not even worth buying. Look at this. I'd rather have a much bigger spray area than this. So now we have to let the product sit on the wheels for like 10 minutes time, and then we'll come back and see how the product did this job. The bottle says the products will turn red. You can almost see it a little bit turning red right here, but it's really quite purple yet. I'm gonna have to do the inside because I could not spray it all around and I want these wheels totally clean so I can store them perfectly. So it's been about 10 minutes after I sprayed the wheel cleaner on it, and this does not look like red to me. It changed a little bit of color, but this is not red. I don't think this is gonna help, but we're gonna see if this protection wheel cleaner will do this job or if we just wasted our money on a stupid ass product. So now I'm gonna rinse them off and see what they look like. Well, they look a little bit cleaner, so the wheel cleaner did do its job, but I'm not really satisfied with this result. So we're gonna step it up one notch further, and we're gonna use old soap and water to clean these wheels even more, because when it dries up, this looks not pretty at all. So that is how they look, guys. I'm gonna say not too bad. Well, cleaning them with water and soap did the job very perfectly. The wheel cleaner, I'm not sure about that. It might help a little bit, but water and soap is the way to go. Now the other ones are drying over there. Now for the tire shine, I'm just gonna do this strip, because there's no point in doing all this side where the rubber meets the road, and because they're just for in storage, I'm just gonna do this strip, and that's gonna be good. I did one of them. They look okay, but because of all the little tiny grooves, I don't think it's worth it. If you look at it, it looks nice, but I don't think it's worth it. So I'm gonna wrap them up, prepare them for storage, and that's gonna be it. Okay, they're all wrapped up in the shrink wrap. They look nice and pretty that way. So when I'm gonna sell or put them back on my car, I don't know. But in the meantime, they will be nice and clean in this shrink wrap, and I don't have to get into the hassle again of cleaning them. I can just put them on the car or just sell them to whoever wants it. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Also subscribe to this channel for more videos. On Monday we post videos like this. On Wednesday we post gaming videos, and see you in the next one.